Hey guys, if you're new here, I'm really glad you clicked this video. Today we are discussing a very important topic. Where should you invest your money in 2025? I know, investing can feel a bit scary. There are many terms like mutual funds, SIP, stocks, gold, FDs and crypto. Maybe you feel like you need a finance degree just to start. But trust me, you don't. In this video, I'll break down the best and safest investment options that anyone can follow. Whether you are a student, a fresher, or even in your 30s. And make sure you stick with me till the end because I'll share one bonus strategy that most Indians ignore, but it can really boost your wealth in long term. Before we talk about where to put your money, let's ask why. Investing isn't just about getting rich, it's about beating the inflation. Because 100 rupees today won't be the same product after 10 years. And investing is about building wealth for future goals like buying a house, marriage, or retirement. And also having financial security so you are not always stressed about money. Think of investing as planting a tree. The earlier you start, the sooner you get fruits. Even if you start small, the key is consistency. So let's discuss about the actual investment options. Option 1. Fixed deposits. Let's start with something very familiar. Those are fixed deposits. Fixed deposits are safe, simple and guaranteed. Banks will give you fixed interest, usually around 6 to 7% these days. So if you put 1 lakh in an FD, you will get around 6 to 7,000 per year in interest. Now we will discuss about pros and cons of FD. Pros are zero risk and perfect for short-term goals. And cons are returns are low compared to inflation and money is locked for a fixed period. So FDs are good if you want safety, but don't rely on them if you want to grow your wealth. Option 2. Mutual funds and SIPs. Now let's talk about one of the best options for beginners. Mutual funds through SIPs. SIP means systematic investment plan. You invest a fixed amount like 500 to 1000 every month. That money goes into mutual funds which are managed by experts. There are 3 types of mutual funds: equity funds, debt funds, hybrid funds. Equity funds are high growth, high risk. Debt funds are safer, lower returns, and hybrid funds are a mix of both. Have you ever think why SIPs are great? Because you don't need a big money. Even 500 per month is enough. And it uses the power of compounding. Your money grows faster over time. And also it builds discipline because you are investing every month. For example, if you invest 2000 per month for 10 years with an average of 12% returns, you'll end up with around 4 lakhs. And it's not just your money, but growth on top of it. Option 3. Stock market. Okay, let's talk about the stocks. This is where you directly buy shares of companies like Infosys, Reliance or TCS. Stocks can give you amazing returns, sometimes 15 to 20% or even more. But they can also be risky if you don't know what you are doing. Tips for beginners. Don't put all your money into stocks at once. Start with strong and well-known companies like blue chip stocks. And never invest money that you can't afford to lose. The stock market is like a roller coaster. It goes up and down. But if you stay patient and invest in good companies, you can make great returns in the long run. Option 4. Gold. In India we love gold and not just for jewelries. Today you don't need to buy physical gold. You can invest in digital gold, gold ETFs or sovereign gold bonds. You can ask me why gold? Because it acts as a safety net when the stock market is down. And also it protects against inflation. But remember, gold is more of a backup plan, not a high return investment. Experts usually suggest keep around 10% of your money in gold. Option 5. Real estate. Real estate is another classic investment. Buying land or property has always been popular in India. Here is the pros and cons of real estate. Pros are property usually appreciates over time and you can also earn rent. Cons are it requires huge money and you can't sell quickly if you need cash. So if you are just starting out, real estate may not be your first option. But once you build some wealth, it can be a strong long-term asset. Option 6. PPF. Public Provident Fund. PPF is one of the safest long-term investment in India. It backed by the government and right now the interest rate is around 7 to 8%. The lock-in period is 15 years, but you also get tax benefits. So if you are looking for a guaranteed growth plus tax savings, PPF is an excellent choice. Even investing 500 rupees per month can create a big amount in next 15 years. Option 7. Crypto. Optional and risky. Now let's discuss about a trending topic, cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum and others have made headlines with huge returns. But they are also super risky because prices go up and down drastically. If you are a beginner, I'd say keep crypto as a small experiment. Maybe 2 to 3% of your money. Don't go all at once. Think of it like a spicy food. A little bit adds a flavor to it, but too much can burn you. Here is the bonus option that I promised. Invest in yourself. It doesn't sound like an investment option, right? But it's the most powerful one. In this you can learn new skills, take online courses, improve communication, coding, marketing, whatever helps your career or business. Because the truth is, your skill will give you highest returns. You can double or triple your income when you invest in your knowledge. So those were the best investment options in India for 2025. Start investing today because your small and future self will thank you. Tell me in the comments which of these are you planning to start with this year. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends and subscribe to the Wealth Ladder for more simple money tips. See you in the next video.